Good morning, this Monday the 1st of August. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Week to date, the market is up 2.3% and up 0.8% in Friday's session as real estate, utilities and tech advanced. Companies have also been reporting their earnings for the June quarter, which has caused a bit of share price movement. On the ASX 200, St. Barbara SBM's shares gained after reporting a 40% jump in gold production. And EML Payments rebounded after a heavy fall earlier in the week, while Zip, BrainChip, BRN and PointsBet Holdings, PBH, declined the most. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients on Friday were BHP, Treasury Wine Estates, TWE, Sierra Rutile, SRX and Lake Resources, LKE. Overseas, European shares actually closed July as their best performing month since November 2020. Recently, GDP data also saw that economic growth in the Eurozone accelerated in the second quarter, and that's despite the rising gas prices and high inflation figures. The STOXX 600 jumped 1.3% with oil and gas stocks in the lead. US equities also had a positive run, rising for the third straight day. Strong earnings results have been coming in the US from the major tech names, which has recently overshadowed the concerns that we've been seeing in the market about a recessionary environment and high inflation. The Dow Jones closed 1% higher, or more than 300 points, the S&P 500 up 1.4% and the Nasdaq up 1.9%. So locally today, the SPI futures are suggesting the Australian market will rise 0.67% at the open this morning. Now keep watch of Ramsay Health Care, RHC, today with reports that there's been progress with the company's takeover approach by private equity company KKR. So back in April, Ramsay received a non-binding $88 per share offer from KKR. And healthcare stocks are also in focus after the World Health Organization declared monkeypox a global health emergency. The disease has so far spread in 74 countries, and therefore shares such as CSL, Telix Pharmaceuticals, TLX, and Clinuvel Pharmaceuticals, CUV, may be ones to look out for. In commodities, oil is trading more than 2% higher on continued reports of tight supply. The gold price also gained after negative GDP data in the US pushed markets to scale back hawkish expectations from the Fed. And iron ore is trading slightly lower, however, is recovering, rising from a 7-month low. In economic data, this morning the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI will be released at 9 a.m. and ANZ's data on job advertisements for July will be released at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And watch out for Bayrock Resources, BAY, as it lists on the ASX today. As for some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter maintain a buy rating on BCI Minerals, BCI. The company just reported their June quarter, so EBITDA rose to $7.7 million from $3.5 million in March, despite sales volumes dropping 10%. So it was a good result there. The broker says BCI's value is now most leveraged to the development of its Mardi salt and potash project, and that's where it has its long-term earnings potential. Bell Potter have lowered their price target to 50 cents, and at BCI's current share price of 25 cents, this implies 100% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in Lake Resources, LKE, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of 81 cents to the range of 99 cents to $1.03 over 20 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Monday morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.